guys, so I had to stop and get a quick bite to eat. So I stopped at the Cheesecake Factory, one of my faves, absolute faves. And one of the reasons they're my favorite because they have just endless pages of food and drinks. So yes, about to get me some food real quick.
Something to drink?
Can I just get water for now?
Okay, we have like cinnamon lemonade, Coke product, a full bar.
What is the blood orange?
Margarita?
Is it a margarita or martini? Margarita? Okay.
Yeah, you might want to remove. I mean, maybe a martini. I just want to make sure I get you the right thing, what you want.
Can I get the Cajun jambalaya pasta? But can I just do shrimp and some chicken? Like, I just want all shrimp. I don't need
jambalaya pasta, shrimp only. Okay, with the peppers and onions?
No peppers, but onions, yes, and tomatoes. And then can I have extra sauce? And no cheese. Okay guys, I got the bourbon honey for my drink. And Mama, what'd you get?
Blood orange margarita.
Blood orange margarita. Now let's cheers and see how it tastes. Cheers. So I did go ahead and get another drink. I'm waiting on that now. But my food did just come out and it looks so good. I'm so hungry. And so let me just break down the meal for you before I show it to you real quick. I got their Cajun chicken and shrimp pasta, but I don't eat chicken nor meat. I'm just, you know, pescatarian. So I got nothing but shrimp pasta, shrimp Cajun pasta, and it looks so good. I've actually got this before, so I know it's really good. But this is a different location than last time, so it looks good, but I just hope it tastes good. But I'm just go ahead and show you guys my food. Ooh, now doesn't she look scrumptious? Let me wait till she focuses. Now does this or does this not look freaking scrumptious? I think this honestly is like, oh, it's so hot, it's hot, it's hot. Honestly, I think this is probably one of my favorite meals from the Cheesecake Factory. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. Okay guys, so I just finished eating over at the Cheesecake Factory. I'm headed in now to Saks. I want to pick up a couple things. I'm really looking for some new pairs of sunglasses. I know it's winter time. Why ain't getting a pair of sunglasses? Mind your business. Are you in my business? Don't do that. But yeah, I've been looking for a pair of sunglasses and I'm gonna go and looking around, see what they have. So come shopping with me. But yeah, that's the one that was in the video.
No, this one was.
Oh yeah,
Would you like me some help?
oh, that smells good. No, I'm just trying to see.
Okay.
Can I get, yeah, sure. Okay. What's this one?
Right there in the front.
That's the name of, Tribeca.
So yeah, I like that.
I saw this fragrance on, one of my influencers had it.
What's your favorite?
What's your favorite color?
Right, Renee. Which one you guys? You guys love the fish, right? Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I saw one of my influencers.
So Greenwich Village. That was the
This one's out?
Yeah, that one's out.
Okay.
That was the green one you got, right? Mm-hmm. Go that crazy.
Thank you.
Because people was coming and spraying the little half time.
Oh,
it was
nice.
this green one. No, this one. Oh, that green one. Oh, okay. That smells good.
Do they all come bedazzled like the middle bottle?
No, so only a certain few come bedazzled, and it's like a $50
Extra? Okay. That's cute though.
So that's your favorite. What's the next top one?
Okay guys, so these are the sunglasses that I've been wanting for the longest time. They're YSLs, and let me know what you guys think. I really like them. I really like them. Let me just flip you guys around. Can you see them in my wardrobe? I think so. I don't know. I really just like these. I was going for that like oversized look, and I think these are exactly what I was looking for. I like them. Like, got my hair blockers on. You can't see me. I can't see you. I'm honestly stumped right now. I can't tell which ones I like better. I kind of like the tan brown ombre as well as the black ones. I just can't decide. But these are definitely cute. Help, I'm so indecisive. I think I'm just really liking these two because I got brown on brown on brown on. They're so cute. I can't decide. So guys, as you can tell, I got my sunglasses. I got the first pair I was showing you. I'll of course show you again what they look like. They actually didn't have the pair I wanted. So they had, only thing that was different, they had two different styles of the pair of sunglasses that I wanted. Only difference was one of the lenses, or one of the arms on the sides, one was silver and one was black. And I wanted the silver one. They didn't have it, so I ended up getting the black, but it still looks nice. And I honestly might exchange it too, because that's, like I said, it's not really what I wanted, but we'll see. So I couldn't end this video without coming on here and showing you guys which sunglasses I ended up going with. I know I had told you guys which ones I ended up getting, but I did not show it to you, show you the first pair that I got. And remember, like I said, I was thinking about exchanging the sunglasses because I got the all black pair. Well, I did end up exchanging the pair that I originally got for the pair that I wanted. So I just wanted to come on here and sit down and show you guys which ones I bought. I have had the glasses now for about a week or so. I just want to, you know, wear them out, try them out, just rock my new sunnies. So as you guys can tell, I got my first pair of designer sunglasses. Yes, this is the bag that it came in. So like I said, I'm just gonna do like a little quick unboxing and show you guys what they look like. I love them. I was given them in this silver metallic bag that says Saint Laurent. You probably can't see it, the light is too bright, but it says Saint Laurent on both sides. So there was tape on the bag. It's kind of like bent over like this, so I was carrying it like this. You take the tape off, you open it, and your sunnies. And I got an envelope that also, this light is so bright in here, I doubt you'll be able to see it, but it just says their name on it. And this envelope literally just has my receipt in it, you know, paid for in full. I got my receipt here. I guess just, you know, if you want to make an exchange, return, blah, 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 you put in the receipt. So then for the sunglasses, they came in this protective case. Just, you know, it's black, has their name on it right here. And you open it, it has this like magnetic clasp to it. So like it keeps your glasses protected. So you open it up. Once again, you see the name right here. And then, you know, get into good stuff. You got your glasses, which I'll get into in just a second. I'm just gonna get into the stuff that actually came inside the sunglass case. So inside the sunglass case, you get another card of theirs. And inside this card, it's kind of like another envelope, small little envelope. I've never actually opened this. I cared, you know, to see what was actually in it. So once again, it has their name on it. And what is this? Just, it says use in all different types of languages, how to, you know, use the sunglasses. You put them on your face and go about your business. And another just plain card of theirs. It just, you know, shows that you brought their product, shows that it is real, all that fun stuff. So I'm putting this back in the card, you know, just in case I want to sell them or anything like that. You need to keep this card, just like I said, to reassure the next owner that these bad boys are real. This card right here, I'm not sure, it looks like a manual on how to wear some sunglasses. Once again, I haven't opened it. It's actually taking up a lot of space in my glass case. I'm gonna put it in the bag because I don't need it. Oh, and then also it did come with the lens cleaner, the little, you know, the little cloth that cleans your sunglasses. It came with it. I might have misplaced it. I didn't. I just, you know, couldn't find it for the video, and just wanted to let you guys know it did come with a nice little cloth to clean your sunglasses. I just, like I said, I don't have it with me on hand. But guys, these are my sunglasses. Excuse the ring light. I'm trying to like get it so you don't see it. So they look like some nice little aviators. They're all black, and like I was saying in the video, I bought a pair that had black arms, and I just didn't really like that style. It was just too black for me, a little masculine looking. So I think the silver just makes them look a little bit more feminine and a little bit more, I don't know, like stand out-ish. The black one's just really like monotone black. So I just wanted the silver ones to bring out a little bit of color to the sunglasses. So on the sides of the sunglasses too, on the arms, you see that it says Celero on both sides. And then for the grand reveal, guys, these are my sunglasses. And honestly, like, I've been wanting these bad boys for a very long time. Like, honestly, for some years now, and I could have got like literally any pair of shades, but I was like, you know, let me just get these because these are on my bucket list. I've been, you know, just wanting a pair of nice, like, big oversized glasses, and so these are definitely it. They're definitely oversized. You know, I just needed a nice pair of like hater blockers, you know, to block the haters out my view, because you can't see me, I can't see you, period. So yeah guys, these are my sunglasses. I love them. I said I've worn them, you know, probably like a week or so now, and I really do love them. I think they look great on my face. They fit and frame my face very nicely. They have that nice oversized look that I was looking for, and yeah guys, no complaints. You definitely will see me wearing these a lot because I really like these, and it was just what I was looking for. I've been wanting these, so love them, love them, love them, love them. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked. If you did, let me know down below what you thought of this video. Go ahead and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.